Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ban on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve ban on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Facebook and you will enter to this window. Here in this page, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.